Let's take an example, guys. 3 times whole bracket x minus 5 by 2 less than equal to 2 times whole bracket x by 3 minus 1, comma 5 times x plus 16 less than equal to x minus 1. Now so far we have seen that we solved single inequality, but this is two inequalities separated by comma, and we know comma means what? Yes, intersection. Intersection means if this is inequality 1 and if this is inequality 2, whatever the answer that we get after solving inequality 1, let's say it is answer 1, answer 2 after solving inequality 2, we can take the intersection of these two to get the final answer. So that way we can solve it. So let's see the solution now, guys. Solving inequality number 1. So directly 3 gets multiplied inside, so 3x minus 5 into 3 by 2 less than equal to 2 gets multiplied inside, so 2x by 3 minus 2, so 3x minus 3 5s are 15 by 2 less than equal to 2x by 3 minus 2. Now I will take this minus 5 by 2 on the right hand side, so 3x 3 3x less than equal to 2x by 3 minus 5 by 2 will become plus 15 by 2. Sorry, minus 15 by 2 will become plus 15 by 2 minus 2. Now I will take this on this side LHS. So 2x by 3 becomes minus 2x by 3. Taking LCM, 15 minus 2 into 2 by 2. Okay. Now here also taking LCM, 3x into 3 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 15 minus 4, which is 9 by 2. Here also, since this is 3 3s are 9, x minus 2x, so this is 7x by 3 less than equal to 9 by 2. Now we will cross multiply 3 since it is positive on the right hand side. So this 3 goes here, so it gets multiplied by 2. 7x less than equal to 27 by 2. Now 7 will go down. It will again cross multiplied from 7x. This becomes 7, 27 by 2 into 7, which is x less than equal to 27 by 14. Okay guys, this is answer 1 as I said. Now we will solve inequality 2, which was this. This was inequality 2, guys. So this we will solve. Okay, 5 times x plus 16 less than equal to x minus 1. So inequality 2 was 5 times x plus 16 is less than equal to x minus 1. So 5 gets multiplied inside, So it becomes 5x into 5 into 16 less than equal to x minus 1. Now x will go this side. It becomes minus x. 16 into 5, it is 90 less than equal to minus 1. Now this becomes 4x. 90 will shift to RHS. It becomes minus 90. X is less than equal to minus 91 by 4. Okay. So this is inequality to 2, answer 2. Inequality 2. Now the final answer is the intersection, because the question involved comma, the intersection of these two. So I1, answer of I1, I will directly plot. It is less than equal to 27 by 14, which is a positive quantity, 27 by 14. And I2, as you can see, it is less than minus 91 by 41 by 4. Okay. So we will drop perpendicular. Okay. And we will take intersection of these two. So from minus 91 by 4 to this point, which is 27 by 14, we have nothing in common. So it won't be the answer. But from minus 91 by 4, which is included here, 91 by 4 is also included here also. So the intersection of these two would be what, guys? So the intersection would be what, guys? The intersection would be minus infinity to, yes, intersection would be minus infinity to minus 19, 1 by 4. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 91 by 4, guys. That is the final answer. Okay. Let's take another example. Let's take a multicorrect question. If x is minus pi to 3, then x can be, this is a multicorrect question, a minus 4 minus 3 3 0. So how do we will solve this, guys? So the hint is, just plot this on number line, or mentally also you can try. You need to understand that pi is equal to 3.14. Now you can try, just substitute the options given in the question, because in multi-correct questions we need to check the options to get the correct options. So 3.14 is pi. So minus 3.14. So let's see the solution now, guys. Minus 3.14 x less than equal to 3. So clearly minus 3, minus 4 is something which is minus 3.14 to 3, if the solution is this, where 3 is included, guys. So minus 4 is outside on the left of minus 3.14, which is pi, which is minus pi. So this won't be a solution. Clearly minus 3 is somewhere here, and 3 is also satisfying. 0 is also here. So answer is BCD. Okay. Let's take another example, guys. Number of negative integers satisfying x minus 17 by 3 to half. Now the hint is what? Hint is the same, guys. We will find the approximate value of minus 17 by 3, and till 0, although it is still half, but till 0 lesser than 0, we will count number of negative integers. That's the hint. Okay. So the solution I will write now. So marking it on the number line. Plus half is here. Minus 17 by 3 is minus 3 5s minus 5 2 by 3 in mixed fraction, or it can be right minus 5.67. 2 by 3 is 0.67. So obviously the first integer on the right side of minus 5.67 is minus 5, just slightly greater than this. Okay, although this is included, but they are asking for negative integers. So minus 5, then minus 4, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, although 0 is also there, but minus 5 to minus 1, there are 5 integers. So answer is 5, guys. Okay. Let's take another example. X less than 1, x less than 2, comma x less than 3, comma x less than 2025. What is the x which is satisfying all? So guys, the hint would be, it would be like thinking that if you take a value which is lesser than 1, all those values would definitely will satisfy this and this and so on, because x less than 1 is a subset of this. Each inequality that is on the right is a superset of the previous inequality. X less than 3 contains x less than 2, guys. X less than 2 contains x less than 1. That way, if you think, then you will directly say the answer is x less than 1. Okay. Or else, if you think like this, if you try to do it by number line method, x less than 1, and take intersection of all, then x less than 2, x less than 3, and so on. So if you take intersection, as you can see, these would be the portions 2025 which would be common to all. So this is the second way by using the conventional way of solving it, marking it on the number line to bring more clarity. So again the answer is x less than 1. So both the ways you can do. So first way by thinking that 1 is the superset of the previous one. Any inequality is the superset of the previous inequality given. That way, or the traditional way of marking on the number line and then taking the intersection of all, you will get the answer is x less than 1. Okay guys.